Hey guys, right, so I arrived home earlier on from watching the rugby, and there is a packet on my doorstep. Now I felt the shackle and I thought, I've ordered something on eBay that's arrived. I can't remember that, but yeah, okay. So I put a bit of tape over my name and proceeded to open it. Now inside it said, Crispy, hey buddy, first, no, I won't sell this. You have been on my waiting list for returning the favour for quite a long time. The intention has always been to make you a challenge lock. Sadly, it's taken me too long. P.S. I did read the request for this, but I didn't reply as I wanted to trade it as a surprise. Was going to make you a few locks to send with this, but time escaped me. So instead, you can just have it, and maybe someday you will have something I like. Yours sincerely, Steensy. So, Steensy, mate, this is absolutely fantastic. I'd forgotten I asked you about it on... I sent him a message. Well, actually, it was a comment on the video of when he did one of these, as he had two. So I said, hey, if you ever want to sell one of those, I'd love to buy it. That's really good. And I'd forgotten I'd sent it. So this was an utter surprise when I opened this packet up today. Sadly, going to do an out of packet picking, I didn't put any tape on Steensy's address on the back, and I proceeded to start doing the video, and once I realised and read who it was from and what was going on, I couldn't do my out of packet picking, so I've just abandoned that video, and I've not picked it yet. This is literally a minute later, right? So let's do it now, I suppose. Steensy, I'm over the moon, made up. This was absolutely fantastic surprise to come home to today. It works absolutely beautifully. You get lovely spring action on the key there. It is not key retaining, actually. What have I done here? Okay, it's locked up. It's not key retaining, I thought it was. But you do it like that, yep. Now, if I remember rightly, Steensy opened this fairly quickly. I think he did anyway. I seem to remember it was really quick, and I thought, that's yeah. Right, I'm going to put that in there to protect my bottom of my keyway. And will that work? Yeah, that'll work. There's a couple of clicks there, so just make sure it is fully locked up. There we go. Okay, and we have to pick clockwise because it's a padlock. I'm going to use my 24,000th gem. I'm going to start at the front. Nothing on one. Maybe a bit on two. A little bit on three. A little bit on four. A little bit on... Open on five. In fact, I only think I didn't do one and two hardly there. Maybe a bit on two. Hardly did anything on one, so right, let's get it apart quickly. Jesus, this might be one of my quicker vids. Oh, I love this lock, Steensy. It's absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I can use one of them. I seem to remember something about the springs coming out the top of the ear. Right, let's play it by ear anyway. Am I still in shot? I am still in shot. Am I in focus? Okay. So the screw's out. Oh gosh, it's hard to remember, but I think Steensy pushed it and he had his hand over this and he caught the springs as they came out. Yeah. You see, an aged brain remembers some things. Anything with a RUKO or an ASSA in the word. Okay, I don't remember how he gutted it though, but regardless, we'll sort that out now. Oh, it's a beautiful padlock. This is proper sort of, I don't know, Art Deco-y sort of looking thing going on there. I could take them out through the top, I suppose. They will come. Okay, so one is a standard, two is a standard. I mean, it was fairly quick, so I should imagine the standards, but I don't care, if I'm being honest. The lock is so lovely. Okay, so that's 5 standards, yep. And hold on, we got this at the bottom there. I think if we just pull this out, we should be good to go. I'm holding the plug in. There we go. And let's turn the plug ever so slightly. Wow. That's the biggest I've got, is it? Oh, not that I read. No. Oh, God, sorry. I don't need to follow. There's no pins on there. Okay, so one is a big, long steel standard. This is 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, everything's standard up in there. It's fine. So it is a standard lock. That wasn't bad after an afternoon of sherbets, watching the rugby, a couple of light ales. Hopefully only a couple. Right, so let me just take the zoom off here. So down the bottom we have 5 steel standards. Get a bit of light on the subject. And then up the top, all standards as well. And some of these nice sort of 2-in-1 springs, which are quite challenging actually sometimes. But not today, we did well on that. I'm very, very happy. Thank you ever so much, Steensy. I don't know what to say. I'm absolutely blown away to come home to this. Is mind blowing. I'm very, very grateful to you, mate. Thank you ever so much. Cheers for the lock. Yeah, what a lovely surprise. And everyone else, thank you ever so much for watching. And yeah, if you see anything, Steensy, that I have that you would like to get your little fingers on, just let me know in a comment so I can ignore you and send it to you in a couple of months' time. Laters, guys. Be good.